In the first minute, or within the first half mile, a flat tire is noticeable due to a thumping noise, a heavy pull to one side, or vibrations. The damage at this stage is minimal, but the sidewall of the tire may begin to compress unnaturally. If you stop immediately, the tire could still be repairable at this point. It's recommended to pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Between 1 to 5 minutes, or within half a mile to 2 miles, handling becomes difficult, with reduced braking ability. The flat tire might emit a flapping or grinding sound as it wears against the road. The sidewall and tread of the tire degrade rapidly, and the rim may begin to scrape the inner side of the tire. Rubber shreds or pieces may come off the tire. If possible, stop immediately. Further driving will cause irreparable damage. From 5 to 10 minutes, or between 2 to 5 miles, steering becomes unstable and the car may wobble. Sparks or smoke might appear if the rim contacts the road. At this point, the tire is almost certainly beyond repair. The rim may sustain scratches, dents, or bending, leading to costly repairs or replacement. Suspension components begin to feel stress from the uneven load. The safety risk is significant, with a high likelihood of losing control, especially at higher speeds. 10 to 15 minutes, or 5 to 10 miles. Now the car feels unsteady and unsafe to drive. Grinding noises are constant, and the vehicle might produce sparks. The rim is severely damaged. The wheel hub, brakes, and suspension components may suffer damage. Alignment could become severely off, causing long-term handling issues. Safety risk. The likelihood of an accident is extremely high, and driving is no longer safe. 15 plus minutes, or 10 plus miles. The car may not be drivable due to wheel or suspension damage. Sparks, smoke, or even fire from excessive friction are possible. The rim is likely irreparably damaged. Significant damage to wheel hubs, suspension, and brakes. Frame alignment may be affected. Safety risk. Catastrophic failure of the wheel assembly is possible, endangering the driver and others on the road.